Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been another hot minute since I filmed. It's just a lot of things started happening in my personal life, and recently I just got surgery. So yeah, that got crazy. Nothing too big, just an ankle surgery to fix up an old wound. But I am all good. Hopefully I'll be back to filming TikTok soon. I've been trying to keep everyone updated on my TikTok and on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, definitely go follow me. Especially on Instagram, because my Instagram followers decided which look I would do today. And this beautiful, just golden neutral glam moment was chosen. And I absolutely love it, especially with my new haircut. It just looks so good, and I just feel so good. It just, ooh, yeah. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm just speeding through my base routines, and since it's basically the same as all my other ones, so if you want, you can go check out 2 previous videos with my updated face routine to figure out what products I'm using. Now going into eyeshadow, I'm using this one from the Blood Sugar palette. It's Ouch as a transition shade, and then going in with Intravenous to darken up the edges to make it a little bit more smoky for our half-cut crease. After blending Ultravenous, I go back with the brush that I used Ouch with to make sure that all of the seams are nice and seamless and blended, and there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with the same Conceal and Define from Milani concealer on my lid. And I am cutting the crease. I'm cutting a little bit more past the halfway point because that way we have room to blend the outer shades in with the concealer to leave a seamless blend. Here I'm going in with Ultravenous on the outer part of the cut crease. That way I can blend the outer cut crease with the cut crease. So that kind of blends it in, makes it all smooth and pretty. And then using the gold from my Boxy Charm palette, beautiful gold. I love this gold. Just placing that on the cut crease where I put the concealer, which is still nice and sticky. That way it'll stick better and it'll be more pigmented. Again, going back in with that brush to make sure that the edges are seamless and blended perfectly. Ooh, look at that eye. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I love it. And there, I'm just touching up the cut crease to make it just a little bit more noticeable and better. Now I'm using Intravenous very close to the lash line and smoking that out with Ouch. The same colors we use in the crease to make it a little bit more smoky and sultry, and it just gives that really good oomph factor to not leave the bottom lash line empty. Off camera, I added some liner and lashes, and now I'm going in with the blush. I love blush, so I actually went pretty heavy on this. And off camera, I applied a couple more layers of blush because I just think it's so cute and your cheeks just get all rosy. And now setting spray, this is what brings the skin back to skin, gives it a little bit more life. And also it preps your face for highlighter. Ooh, look at that highlighter. Isn't it pretty? Oh, it's blinding. It's a little too blinding. So we'll fix that later. See, going in with the sponge to just tone it down a little. We want to make it look a little bit more natural and just radiating from inside. And of course I take a small brush to detail my nose and then go down the nose bridge just a tiny bit to make it look even straighter and more pinched. Now just speeding through the lips because I realized that you can't really see what I'm doing. I'm taking the Becca lip liner and lining my lips with it. This lip liner is a little bit darker than the lipstick I chose. That way we can blend it using a brush and it adds that cute, and then adding a little bit of gloss on top makes it just perfect. Okay, so this is the final look. Very neutral, you know, everyday super glam. Also, of course, with the new hair, it looks much different than the photo before. I'm kind of loving it. So, yeah, sorry for not uploading before. I had, again, with my ankle surgery, I've had a lot of things going on, but I am now back, and hopefully I'll be filming a lot more. So just make sure to comment and like and subscribe if you want more, and remember to follow my TikTok, that is at Daikon Cosplays, with a K, Daikon_K Cosplays. And also follow my Instagram, Brianna_Mole_Lopez. Now they will all be linked in the description below, so don't you worry about it. It is all good. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!